Hi everyone. In this video, Abang Telco wants to show you how to terminate your REDONE number. Before we start, remember to like, share, and subscribe to support Abang Telco channel. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Access the REDONE customer service form. For the first step, we need to access the online form through the QR code on the screen, or through the link Abang Telco provided in the description below. Abang Telco recommends that you fill out the form using your mobile phone to make the process easier. After you open the link, you will be directed to the customer service form. You can fill it out using your mobile phone or your computer. For the second step, you need to identify the type of request you want to make. Okay, let's scroll down a bit. In this section, you need to specify your request. You can choose from 9 types of requests. General Enquiry. Sign up to register for a new number or keep your old number with REDONE. Upgrade or downgrade your REDONE plan. Termination or cancellation of your REDONE plan. Bill payment or unblocking your REDONE line. Check your current REDONE bill. Change the name or ownership of your REDONE account. Upgrade a subline to a master line. And finally, register as a REDONE sales agent. Once we have chosen the type of request, we will move on to step 3, which is to fill out the form completely. Don't forget to fill in your full name and ID number as it appears on your My Card. Also, click on the Save Form link for your future reference. After that, we scroll down to section 4 to complete the form. Just a reminder, you need to upload the front and back photo of your IC and pay the processing fee stated in the form. The termination process will begin once your application is complete and payment has been made. Now, Abang Telco will explain in detail how to fill out the form. Okay, first, click on the process fee link to make a payment. You will be taken to the Bill Please page to make an online payment. You can use any of the available bank accounts. On this payment page, make sure you enter your name, email, and the REDONE phone number you would like to terminate. Don't forget to take a screenshot of the payment receipt for reference to Abang Telco's team. After completing the payment, we go back to the REDONE termination form. Second, you need to type your REDONE's phone number that you want to terminate. Third, click to upload front and back photos of your My Card. I would like to remind you not to upload photocopied images. Please use your phone camera to take your IC pictures. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Submit on WhatsApp button. Step 4. Submit the form and wait for confirmation. After you have submitted the form via WhatsApp, your form will be received by Team Abang Telco. Team Abang Telco will process your request as soon as possible. You will also be notified via WhatsApp when your request has been approved. Okay, that's all from Abang Telco. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Abang Telco's channel for more useful tips. See you in my next videos. Thank you.